Well, I've gotten a few questions about using my horizontal mortising machine, and so I figured I'd shoot another video about how I do it. As you can see, I have laid out the mortise on my board, and I'm going to show you how I set up the machine to cut multiple parts that are all going to be the same. So I've laid it out on the first part, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp it down on the machine with my toggle clamp here. Now this is kind of hard because I'm doing this one-handed. I've got to make sure that I'm square to my stop here. Okay, I had to put the camera down to get it clamped down because I needed both hands, but I've got it clamped down now, and you can see my layout there on the side. And what I've done is I've got it pressed all the way up against my stop block over here on this side, my adjustable stop, and I'm going to slide it up to the bit and see, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but you're going to line up your layout line with the far edge of the bit. And then what you're going to do is slide it over until the other layout line lines up with the other edge of the bit. There, I think I got it. And I'm just going to take this stop block here, I'm going to press it up against my machine there and lock it down. Okay, so now as you can see, there's one end of my travel. It lines up with one side of the bit. Then I'm going to run it all the way down until it hits the stop block on the other end. So I've got my travel set up. Okay, now I just need to set up the height of the bit. Okay, so you're going to look down in here, and it's hard to see it on the video, but with your eye you'll be able to see it. You're going to want to turn the bit until the cutting edge is up and down. Now I can see here that I'm a little bit low, so what I do is I unlock my machine there, and I use my height adjuster. And I'm going to twist that up until I look down in there and the wings of my cutter, the cutting edges, line up with my layout lines in there on the piece. Once that's good, I'm going to lock it down. Once again, using my lock here. The last thing I'm going to do is you might have noticed that I have an extra toggle clamp on my machine. I'm just going to take a little block, little stop block, put it in there, and lock that down. So the next board, all I got to do is press it up against the stop block, press it up against the back of my other block, and I'm ready to go, and I can make multiple parts that are all going to be the same. Okay, now that I've got it all set up, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to do multiple parts on this machine. And that's it.